To apply for your Nurturing Skills Learner Fund NSLF course, navigate to the relevant course, BA Ordinary or BA Honours Early Childhood Care and Education on the Portobello Institute website. Select the October starting date and click Apply. Fill in your name, email address and phone number and click Go to Step 2. On the next window, create a password and click Sign Up. After you have read and accepted the terms and conditions, click Proceed. On the Cluster portal, fill in all the required fields in the Personal Data section. You will now be able to create your application. Click the Create a New Application button. Please select the 2026-2027 option from the pop-up window. Click Next. The course details will already be selected. Click Next. Please make sure to select Nurturing Skills Learner Fund in the Price List drop-down menu in the Financial section. Then click the Confirmation tick box. Upload any required documents by clicking the relevant Browse button and locate the document on your device. Select Yes from the drop-down menus to indicate your intention of applying for the Nurturing Skills Learner Fund. Select I consent. Click the Save and Submit button at the top of the screen. Your application has now been submitted. Our team will be in touch with confirmation of your application.